Hello, Amazon shoppers. My couch cushions were looking pretty tired, getting really dirty. So I wanted to do an upgrade, and so we got some new couch cushions here. This is what the box looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and start installing them and show you all its cool features. Okay, they did come all vacuum sealed, so it did take maybe a couple hours for the foam to expand fully. This is what it looks like. It's probably still going to expand some more, but I wanted to get this video done for you guys. It does have clasps in the, so it does keep the um, cushions where there should be because they are hooked together. So they're all hooked together in a line, and then all of the back cushions are hooked together in a line. So this works great for this L-shaped couch that I have here. So if you guys need some cushions for your couch to upgrade it and make it back brand new, go ahead and get these. They're very comfortable. Thanks.